other on your chest. We never gonna rest till everybody bless.
Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Javandi, and today I will be showing you this corn pie recipe. Exact measurements and step-by-step will be shown below in the description box. You're going to be hearing my voice quite often in this video, so get used to it. And this corn pie recipe is actually a mini version of a big one, so if you want it to be bigger, obviously you can double it or triple it. I started with a can of cream corn and a can of kernel corn with an egg separately, and pour the egg into the bowl. Mix that all together, and then I'm gonna add a quarter cup of sugar. Actually, that's a bit too much. Initially I thought a quarter cup would have been fine, but then once I poured it out, I realized it was a bit too much. So let's go with 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then you taste it and you see if you need to add more sugar accordingly. But since it's a small corn pie, just do 1 tablespoon to begin, and then along the lines you can taste and see if you need to add more sugar. The next thing I'm adding is a quarter cup of flour to bring it all together along with the eggs, and 1 tablespoon of cornmeal. If you don't have cornmeal, you could just use the breadcrumbs and the flour. Just add more flour if you don't have cornmeal, but you add a bit of cornmeal in there, mix it all together to get the right consistency. I don't know if you just saw what I was trying to show you, but I was trying to show you the consistency of it. Now I'm going to add a quarter cup of breadcrumbs and fold that in. You can also use this step to add finely chopped onions. I didn't feel like adding onions to it because there's sugar in it already. Corn pie could go one of two ways. You can add sugar to it, or you could just leave it salted. So I like sweet corn pie, so I added sugar to mine. Turn the oven on to 350 degrees to preheat it, and then add a quarter cup of carnation milk, or you can use whole milk if you want to. Mix it all together. Not to over mix it, but mix it just enough so everything is intertwined. Alright, so now I'm oiling the pan. You can avoid using butter when you're oiling the pan because butter would probably make the pie burn or stick to it, so I prefer to use oil so it doesn't stick to the pan. Wash the oil away. Alright, so that is it. Now I'm about to pour it into the pan, and I kind of forgot to add the cheese to this step, but I'm going to pour it in the pan and then fold the cheese in that you're going to see coming up shortly. Okay, so now on to the last step. I add the remaining quarter cup of breadcrumbs to the top of the corn pie, and I'm going to bake it for 30 to 40 minutes until golden brown, and then your corn pie should be set and ready to eat.
And I hope you could do the same. One hand in the sky, the other on your chest. We never gonna rest till everybody